And that should be taken. Yes! It's Nazmul Hossain Shanto.
Josh Butler, the captain, who has played so brilliantly, looks to go over that area which he's found for six on a couple of occasions during his innings, but he doesn't get hold of it. It's a good catch by Shanto coming in from the long on boundary, and all of a sudden the tide has turned a little bit in the favour of Bangladesh.
This series, and the change of bowling has worked. Sterling got the man, got Harry Tector. Is the good catch? The stunner on the line, running to his right comes, and this is the.
উইকেট কিপিং করছেন নাজমুল হোসেন শান্ত। মুশফিকুর রহিম ইনজুরিতে থাকার কারণে প্রথমবারের মতো উইকেট কিপিং এর দায়িত্ব পালন করছে শান্ত। গ্লাভস হাতে দারুণ সব সেভও করছেন শান্ত।